What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So we finally got the AirTag. Took me forever to get this. Don't know why shipping was so slow, but it is finally here. Now I do have another one of these, so I did get 2 single packs, and then I did order a 4-pack as well. Those ones I got the custom emoji on the back, so those are taking a lot longer to process, and hopefully I see those soon. But I did pick up a few of these AirTags just because I was pretty excited about them, and I like the functionality that they bring, and I think it's probably one of the cheapest Apple products I've ever bought. I'm pretty sure. I know I've spent a lot more on just a cable than I have an AirTag. Like the cable on the M1 here, I got a Thunderbolt 3 to Thunderbolt 2 dongle, and I'm pretty sure that costs $50 for that stupid cable, and this is only $30, or you can get a 4-pack for $100. So I think this is one of the cheapest Apple products I've ever bought, and surprisingly, I think it's going to have a ton of functionality depending on what you want to track and, you know, not lose, essentially. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing. Super simple. There's a little tab on the back here. We're just going to go ahead and pull that. Pretty satisfying to pull that, and then all you got to do is kind of open up the bottom here. It's a little hard to get your fingers on in actuality. There we go. Just pull the bottom open, and then you can just pull the AirTag out just like that. Throw that to the side, and then we got some documentation as per usual with Apple products. I'm sure it's like how to use it and all of that. Don't need any of that. Should be stupid simple. And there is the AirTag, and pretty cool. Simple packaging, as Apple likes to do. We'll just pop it out. First thing I notice is there's a nice little bit of weight to it. So you definitely can feel that it's premium. It's got the weight. Little plastic cover here. And there we go. And as soon as we pull this tab out is when the AirTag becomes active, and I'm assuming my iPhone's going to immediately recognize it. So I'm just going to pull this out. Made a cool little chime sound, and there you go. As you can see, literally as soon as you activate it, it pops up on your iPhone, and I'll just leave this as backpack. I'll put it in my backpack, sure, why not? Click on continue. iDeviceMovies backpack, setting it up currently, and this thing's nice looking. It's already getting fingerprints though, and there we go. It's going to give you some information about it: precision finding, play sound, directions in maps. You can view and find my app. I'll do that right now just because I don't want to give away my location, but as you can see, it does show right in Find My. So super simple. Actually, let's go in here. Let's click on it. Let's do play sound to see how loud this is. So pretty loud for being a little quarter-sized AirTag. Pretty neat. Now also, I've heard that there's a way to you can edit your item by selecting on here. You can choose a different emoji. If you want to change the emoji that's being used on it, you can change the name. You can change the preset. So if it's on, you know, a wallet, as you can see, it automatically generates the emoji for that, or an umbrella. I don't know why anybody would put an AirTag on an umbrella. I don't even use an umbrella, but hey, you can basically use this to track whatever you want. And pretty cool that you can customize the AirTag from here, rename item, and then you have your lost mode here. So if you do lose the AirTag, you can put it into lost mode, and hopefully somebody finds it and returns it to you. So let's go ahead and let's take a quicker look at the AirTag. All right, so I feel like this thing is definitely going to get scratched up. It is extremely shiny. It looks really nice. As you can see, there's AirTag, a bunch of information around it. This side is completely white. Like I said, I did get a 4-pack that have the custom emojis on it, so I think a custom emoji would be cool. I'm also curious about maybe what skins will be coming out. I'm sure that like D brand will be making skins for this, which would look really neat. And let's just go ahead and open it up because it does have a replaceable battery in it. And I'm curious as to how hard is this to get into, because it is really slippery, I'm noticing. And so far, it's actually kind of a pain to open it. There we go. So it's slippery, it's hard to get into it. Whoop, almost dropped it. There we go. And there is the replaceable battery in it. I think it's like one of Apple's first products that you can actually replace a battery in it. And then to shut it, it's actually kind of hard because it's so slippery. Slippery little bastard. Okay, I finally got the back on. That is an absolute task. And I think the easiest way to probably do it is like with your shirt. You know how people use like your shirt or a towel to get the top off of a jar? It's kind of like the same thing for the AirTag. I found that using my shirt allowed me to actually grip it to close it back up. So that was kind of a task. And as you can see, this thing is a fingerprint magnet. So it's already looking smudged up just from 1 to 2 minutes playing with it here. So I think that skins is going to be really cool to apply to these. But definitely my first impression of it is super simple. I like the sound. I like the customization you can quickly do in Find My. You can quickly, show that it's lost. You have the Find My right on your iPhone, so it's really easy to just hop in there and play an audible sound from this little guy. And yeah, I guess we could probably test out the functionality of it now real quick. All right, guys, we're going to try and find my AirTag now. I'm in a different room in my house. The way you do this is you just expand from the bottom here, and then you can see the little find option. We're just going to click on that. And there we go. It says it's connected. Signal is weak. Try moving to a different location. So I'm just going to move around a little bit here to see if that helps it. And I am in a different room. I'm probably about 25 to 30 feet away from my AirTag. So just going back and forth here doesn't seem to be doing anything. So let me move to a closer room to see if it starts picking it up. So if you actually lost your AirTag, what you could do is go back and forth, just go through the rooms here until it starts picking it up. I'm probably about 10 to 15 feet closer now, and there we go. So 12 feet to your right, okay? As you can see, 17, 18, 19 feet behind. Turn to my right. We go down the hallway here. To the office. Sorry about the creaky floor. Oh, and we're within 3 feet, and now it does change mode, so it lets you know that you're very close. And there we go. As you can see, it says here, there's a cool looking animation. Very simple process in terms of finding the AirTag. To get the accurate location, from what I've heard, it's about 30 feet or so. And the bedroom that I was initially in, that I started recording this in, is about 35 feet away. So you might have to do a little hot and cold with your iPhone to find the AirTag, but it did work out really nicely and took me right to the AirTag. Very, very cool. So there you go, guys. There's a quick look at the new Apple AirTag. I think it's pretty sweet. I'm excited to have a few of these and to place them on different items, and I didn't actually get any cases for them yet, funny enough. I did order the Belkin ones that are offered on the Apple website, but those are way behind on shipment as well. But I was mostly excited about the endless possibilities of Amazon holders that we're going to be seeing. Like I said, I'm very excited to see what companies come up with on Amazon in terms of cases or holders for these AirTags. I'm also excited to see what skin brands like D-Brands comes up with for these AirTags. But as soon as I get cool stuff maybe for them in the future, I'll do more of an updated video showing some of the cool stuff you can do with the AirTag. But that's gonna be basically it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing, first look and first function of the AirTag. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.